In front of me is OPPO Reno6 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can operate pop-up view on this device. Firstly, open one of your apps and click on this button with 3 lines. After that, click on those 2 dots over here and select floating window. As you can see, now I can use my Play Store in this little window here. You can make it smaller by holding this line and dragging it to this right icon over here. If you wish to make it bigger again, double tap on it. You can use your app overlay other ones by clicking on the other app, like for example Messages, and operating in both of them. If you wish to go back from this mode, you need to click on this button with 3 lines again and simply close your apps in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!